This is the AirPods Pro. It's longer. To change the options, you can simply use this sensor. We will be unboxing it and also will compare it with the original or OG AirPods. This is the box of the AirPods Pro. It's actually late because I think this was launched a year ago, so but we're just unboxing it now. Better late than never, right? So this one comes with a wireless charging case, and that's part of the difference between this and the OG AirPods. So I'm opening up the box now, and I'll talk to you more about some of the differences between this and the original AirPods. And I think one of the things that we'll have to give up with between this and the old one is our cute little case right here, because the sizes are different. So yes, this is the box, and so it's very easy to open, which is good. And as all other Apple products, it says designed by Apple in California. This of course comes with the standard user manuals that comes in all other languages, the warranty. This is the AirPods Pro itself. So we'll just peel it. So as you can see the difference. This is the old AirPods. This is the new one. Even the light is a bit different now. And this one comes with a pull tab, and I think this is where the other silicone earbuds are. So that's one of the things that I'll mention later. And this is the cable. It's a lightning cable to USB connector. And because this one, you can see the small and the large silicone tips are here, it means that the medium tips are the one in the AirPod case. As for the price, this AirPods Pro currently is priced at 379 Singapore dollars. I think, if I remember correctly, we got this OG AirPods and it comes with a standard charging case at around 239 Singapore dollars. The new one, it's really more expensive, but it really is a big leap when it comes to price. But I guess the new features come with such a price. And for the look, not much difference. Except that maybe it looks smaller, and yeah, it is actually smaller even if you put it like this. And as for the AirPods themselves, the OG ones are longer than the new one, you can see. And the sensor also looks different. And of course, this is a very main difference between the two. When it comes to the look of the main earbuds, they're very much different. Some are actually joking that they look like a plant from Plants vs. Zombies 2, which is a game that I like playing. And when it comes to sound, the AirPods Pro comes with a noise cancelling option, which the original AirPods do not have. You actually have options for the sound in the AirPods Pro because you have transparency and noise cancelling. Transparency mode actually lets you hear what's happening around you, and to change the options you can simply use this sensor. You just need to press and hold the force sensor to switch between the two options of noise cancelling and transparency. When it comes to battery life, actually the old AirPods has better battery life because it comes with 5 hours battery life with another 19 hours added by the charging case. The AirPods Pros, they have a little less than that because it comes with 4.5 hours plus 19 hours from the charging case. But of course, if you want a longer battery life out of the AirPods Pro, then you can simply disable the use of noise cancelling. Both buds have similarly sized wireless charging case, which are compatible with wireless charging mats. But as I said, our old one, we were just using the standard charging case. So we just charge it through the lightning cable. And I think that's what we're going to use as well for this one. And if the AirPods Pro runs out of battery, then you can just simply put it back to the case and it'll give you another hour of listening. For the connectivity, both of these AirPods have flawless wireless performance and quick pairing. So far we haven't experienced any difficulties in pairing this with any of our phones or tablets. We haven't experienced dropouts as well, and I suspect it would be the same with the new AirPods Pro, because I always find that Apple's automatic pairing is very seamless. You simply insert an earphone and it instantly connects you to your phone, and it's actually quick and very responsive. As for the design and fit, the standard AirPods fit any ear thanks to Apple's universal fit. But that's not always the case because we simply have different ear shapes and sizes. So for the OG AirPods, there's really no way to adjust it if it feels a bit loose to your ear, and I think that's what happens because I've felt it and I've experienced it several times. Sometimes it falls from your ear when you're using it. But the AirPods Pro now offer a much more customizable fit because they have flexible silicone tips, which I already showed you a while ago, and they come in sizes, so it depends on what size of ear you have. And as I showed you, the medium is what in the AirPods case. And I think that's maybe because they thought the mid-range would be the most perfect fit. And if you're not sure as to which silicone tips to use, you don't have to worry about that because there's a feature in the AirPods Pro where you can simply do the built-in ear tip fit test, which you can run once the AirPods Pro are in place. Noise cancelling feature also is designed to fit snugly, and because it comes with tiny air vents to reduce pressurized feeling that you have when you're using an in-ear headphone. It's a welcome addition if you're actually into that kind of thing, and if you're outside or running, I think it's safer to turn off noise cancelling. The AirPods Pros are also better suited to sporty adventures. If you're the type who goes to gym or you like running, it's very good for you to opt for this because they are IPX4 sweat and water resistant. And sadly, the standard or the OG AirPods do not offer water resistance. For the sound quality, the OG AirPods have extra loudness as well, and it's also sophisticated in a lot of sense. And I think most Apple products offer such seamless and very good sound quality, and I'm not sure I haven't tried yet this one, so I would expect that the sound quality of the AirPods Pro would be far better. I will find out more once we have started using it. For the controls, both the AirPods, the OG AirPods and the AirPods Pro can be controlled with the power of voice. So you can simply ask Siri to help you using voice commands. Both models also have touch controls, although I think they're a bit different. Like the old one, you can simply customize it. You can tap it to skip a song or to pause a song and so on. The AirPods Pro have a small ridge on each stem, which you can squeeze to switch noise cancelling modes, to skip tracks, to pause music, to answer calls. So it's up to you. And overall, as they are both Apple products, and I trust that both pairs offer great user experience, especially if you're already an iPhone user. You just need to take into account the large price difference. If you opt for the OG AirPods, you can save yourself by over $100, and you'll still get better battery life with that. But of course, the AirPods Pro offer new features that will justify the higher price, and it comes with the state-of-the-art noise canceling, which the original AirPods do not have. And AirPods Pro also come with improved comfort, sportier credentials, and better sound quality. So it's up to you. So we'll try to pair it now. Now we'll start pairing it. See how it easily detects it. Then you simply press connect, and then it will ask you press once on either AirPod to play. So you can skip this, you can do them later. Yeah, this one's as well. Customize, so you can press not now. See, it shows you the battery life of the actual earbuds, which it now is at 74%, and the wireless charging case is at 58%. And you can see it's connected now. It shows you the noise cancellation. You can turn it off, and then you can put it on transparency mode, and then you can control it which ear. It means that you can actually turn off both noise cancellation and transparency, and you can do that for either or. That means that, let's say you want to opt for this, so things like that. And then this is the one I mentioned, the ear tip fit test. You can check the fit of your AirPods to determine which size provides the best seal and acoustic performance. The automatic ear detection, of course, is better on. Connect to this iPhone automatically. Optimize battery. So there you have it. We'll be trying it. Okay, really sounds different. Let me try the ear fit test. Continue. Okay, because I didn't put both. Says to not remove AirPods, and honestly I can't hear anything right now. It says noise level too high for ear tip fit test. So let's try again. The ear tips you're using are a good fit for both ears. So it means, and it has the good seal, it means that medium is perfect. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing and review, sort of comparison versus the OG AirPods. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something from it. So till our next video, thank you for watching. Bye bye.